Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create an AI enhanced professional profile photo in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva and don't forget to sign in with your account. You can download this Canva desktop version or PC version from official website. And don't forget to sign in with your account. So let's start by click apps, then click AI powered. Now you can scroll down and try to find profile photo. Here you can enhance your professional headshot image with optimal lighting and background. Make a great first impression by click use in new design to start. And here you can upload your image or select one in your design to generate your profile photo. So here, how do you identify? You can choose male, female, non-binary, and here you can turn this on to preserve facial expression. Choose your file first, and here you can click to generate. Please wait, this may take up to a minute. And here we go. This is the result. So if you don't satisfy, you can try again to generate your professional photo powered by AI. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and support this button below. See you in the next video.